In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Vivint Smart Hub from wall. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, this process will take from 3 to 5 minutes, and all that you need is a Phillips screwdriver. To start, disarm your Vivint Smart Home System. So make sure that it is disarmed to prevent any false alarms while you disconnect your panel. After this is done, unplug your panel's power source. It is most likely going to be an outlet nearby, and the wire runs through the wall, so make sure that it is fully disconnected. Next, remove the smart hub from the mount. This will be done by gently but firmly pushing up against the panel and sliding the face up like this. It will slide out of these hooks here that hold it in place. Don't be alarmed if you hear beeping. Once it is removed, next, hold on to this clip and remove the battery. On the back of the panel, pull the tab on the left side and remove the battery. This will power the panel down. Set the panel aside. Next, release the power cord. On the mount, gently press the two black tabs located in the middle to release the power cord from the mounting. Pull all wires down and out through the wall. Next, remove the screws. Usually they will be on these holes here, above and below, so remove any screws that have been attached using the Phillips screwdriver. Once all of them had been removed, next remove the power wire. Gently pull the power wire through the wall at the outlet end. You may need to remove your outlet cover to do this. And after it is done, you are good to go. You can reassemble your panel and set it aside for safe storage. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.